guys, welcome back to another video. So basically this video is like a compilation slash montage slash half vlogging of my spring break, and I hope you enjoy it. If it's not coherent, sorry, but if it is, then awesome. But yeah, hope you enjoy the video. Bye. On to the video. Hey, so let's clean my room. Most of these clothes are actually like clean or have been worn once, so it's because when I have nothing to wear, I just throw them all onto the bed. So I need to throw them off. First thing is my coat. I wore this today. One interesting thing about me is that I actually live out of a suitcase. I'm joking. But most of my pants go in here because my drawers, I have too many clothes, but a lot of them I don't wear, which is like, I'm glad I'm going to college so that I will get rid of clothes, because I know I wear like probably 20% of my closet, or like maybe 45. Big jump from 20 to 45, but I think I do wear a big percentage of my closet. Just not all of it. Most of my jeans go in here, or like more formal pants, but yeah, like sweatpants don't, and shorts definitely do not go in here. But if I don't have space in my dresser, I don't even know what it's called. That word has always been hard for me to say. But yeah. Also guys, my sister's coming on, I don't know whether it's Thursday or Friday, but she told me to make, I proposed to make an itinerary, and I don't know what to do, guys. But by the time she comes, by the time I post this video, she'll probably have already come, because this is gonna be my spring break. So give me suggestions on what to do for summer break.
see my room?
Oh my goodness.
It's actually pretty clean, I think.
Give us a tour.
House tour. Here's the basement. We're not gonna go down there because that's where it's a nice basement, but it's really messy because all the boys have been down there. Here's the piano. It's a little dusty. No, we're not looking at that.
Nope.
Okay. Hey, come on up. This is my bathroom that I share with my brother.
Beautiful, beautiful. Oh, I like the window.
Guys, do you want to know do you know what I just put together?
What?
Take a peek. Go look.
The shower head?
No. That. I just built that.
So cool. Okay.
I see through her camera. Okay. This is my room. If you can't tell, it's really purple.
Are the boys here?
Yeah, they must be. Here's my room. This is new.
Aww.
This used to be a light gray.
I like your map.
Thanks. I have the pins where I've all been. There's little pinpoints. Thumbtack.
In closet.
This is actually never a walk-in closet.
It never was a walk-in closet, but this is the closet.
Yeah, it's really small. But
I definitely hear footsteps.
Wait, I should have shot there. So
Joey is here.
I don't want to show you. I don't want to dox you.
psh, I don't care. Wait, ready?
Yes. Oh, is that what it's made out of?
Yeah.
Oh!
So it's actually not satisfying at all. There's little fidgets in it, like sprinkles, look. But they're fake.
He's talking!
No! Close. I'm gonna put my hair in a ponytail.
Yeah, can I get two of them?
Were they plain vanillas or they just
Dips. Mint for both of them. Yeah. Hey guys, we're on our way to the Jocelyn. I'm with my sister. She's putting her lip gloss on. And my brother, look at him.
I always wanted a brother.
Yeah, he's so excited. Yeah. Okay. Let's go, guys. I'm driving.
Hey guys, I suggested that we do all this because we never do anything. So, let's go.
Anyway, let's go. We're 57 minutes behind. At the Jocelyn Museum, there's a lot of cows. There's more cows that way, but more cows. So many cows. were gonna go take pictures up there, but unfortunately it is closed, so we can't. So our best bet is like right here. But I had this experience with this girl, and she was wearing like this burgundy dress, and it was so pretty. I think I have that saved on my Pinterest, I will not lie. But she was a black person, and I was like, oh my goodness, she's so pretty. I love her dress, I love her outfit. She even had the gloves. And so I was like, I need to say hi to her. And so I was like, oh my goodness, let's go say hi. And she was like, I love your outfit. This is what I'm wearing, by the way. I hope you've seen it by now, but this is the fit. But she was like, I love your dress, I love your outfit. And I was like, oh my goodness, I love your dress, I love your outfit. And then I was like, and then she saw my bracelet, and she pulled down her gloves, and she showed me her bracelet, and we're all getting in, bro. That was so cool. This is my sister.
Hey, yeah, I am the cool sister.
Bruh. My whole personality are these glasses.
Look at this cool video too. You're not looking.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Whatever floats your boat.
Okay, so how do we get back?
That way, bruh. She's so bad at directions, guys.
That way.
No, the car isn't parked that way. Okay, let's go back. We have to go through the gift shop to get out. Okay, bye-bye. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this week's video. I hope you enjoyed. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so you get notified every time I post a new video. See you guys when I see you guys. Bye!